Hello guys, starting new video. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to make an object counter. So here I have this proximity sensor. Let me close it. This proximity sensor. I have this I2C LCD. This is the I2C board. We are going to be using Arduino Uno. So connections are very simple. Here we have VCC, GND and digital output. I'm going to be placing keys here in the corner. I will connect the GND to GND, the VCC to VCC, and the output to digital pin 8. So let me put here output digital pin 8. I'll connect the GND to the GND and the VCC to 5 volts. So to the LCD, I'm going to connect the VCC to 5 volts and the GND to GND. I'm going to connect the clock to clock and data to data. As you can see. So this schematics solve this. Let me connect it to Arduino to my computer and we will go to the programming. So guys, here in the programming I included the liquid crystal library. Then I'd find the sensor pin to pin 8 and I put this heating detecting pool equal false, and I initiated this heating counter to first value will be 0. It will start counting from 0. So on setup, here I just put pin mode of the sensor pin to input, just setting the pin 8 to be an input, and here this is like a sensor, the starting screen. When I turn on the system, it will show system ready Samsmart DIY. Then a loop, I initiated the value of the digital read of the sensor pin. So here I said if the sensor reads proximity, heating detected will be true and will start counting. Here I created this variable void update counter, so when the sensor reads a value, it will start counting. It will show on the first cursor item count and the second cursor will show the count. So very simple. Here when it reads a value, it will be like it the last value plus 1. Then imagine that the last value was 1. If the sensor reads proximity again, it will do 1 plus 1. It's going to be 2 readings, 2 counts. So here is the else. If it doesn't detect any proximity, it doesn't count anything. So this is all for this sketch. Let's upload our code. Code is being uploaded, already uploaded. So let me restart. You see, system ready, Samsmart DIY. Then here, if I put my hand, it will start counting. It will read everything but here. So you see the distance. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave your like, subscribe and share with your friends. Bye.